Alright, y'all, so I already got my brows done for time purposes off camera. So now I'm just gonna go in, Tan Deep Sand Tarte Concealer, put it and conceal my eyelids. Y'all see my pink nails? I intended to get these done for Valentine's Day. I already know I broke one, so excuse my broken nail. So now that I got my eyelids concealed, I'm actually just going to set it with this little color correcting powder. This Take Me Back to Brazil palette that I'm going to go in with on my lid. I'm going to go in with this pink color right here at the top in my crease with a fluffy brush. Try the tape trick this time, so I'm just going to put some tape on my eyes just to see how it turns out, because I never usually use tape, honestly, but I want to get a really clean line. I got this palette, actually it's from the drugstore. It's the LA Girl, and I'm about to go in with this burgundy color right here to deepen my crease. Ooh, y'all see that? That color is so pretty. Y'all spending all the money on these expensive palettes, and this more pigmented than some of the thing on high-end shadows that I got. Yeah, so like I was saying before, my dang camera died. Now what I want to do is I'm going to go in and cut my crease with that same Tarte concealer that we primed our eyes with, since I got my crease color in like I wanted it. Brush that I did my brows with. So basically I'm going to go in with the concealer and cut my crease. And y'all, I do have hooded eyes, so keep that in mind when I'm doing this. I'll go a little bit, like I lean my head back because my eyelids are hooded. And I go a little bit higher than where my actual crease is. And that's about as far as I want to cut my crease. See that? I'm going to clean up a little bit more. Set it with the setting powder with this little eyeliner brush. I'm gonna use a flat shadow brush, and I'm going in with my naked palette. I'm gonna put this this color right here in the center of my lid. It's Half Baked. I actually decided to do Half Baked and Version. Okay, so now that we got that color packed onto our lid, I am going to go in and we're going to kind of blend out that harsh line right there. So I'm going to go fluffy brush to kind of blend that into the white eyeshadow that we put on our lid. So this pink color right there. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in. I got these I actually got these lashes from Walgreens and I could not find them any place else. I used to buy them from Walmart, but these, I'm gonna put these lashes on. I'm gonna go back in with that pink color and I'm just gonna use the flat brush that I used to put the eyeshadow in the center of my lid. Okay, so now I'm pretty much done with the eyes for now, so I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go on with my Urban Decay primer, and this is pretty much for like if you have really big pores like I do. So I take about this much and I want to put it on my face. I'm using two different foundations today. Do You Full Coverage. I just got this from Ulta and I'm excited to use this, so we'll see how that works. And this I've been using forever, y'all, for years. This is MAC Match Master. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix those two foundations together. We're just gonna go in and highlight with the same the Tarte foundation. I'm just gonna go in and set my highlight with the setting powder. This is an eyeshadow palette, but I use this to contour. A separate smudger brush that I got, but I usually use this to contour my nose because I can be more precise. I don't have any blush, y'all, so I'm about to finesse with some eyeshadow. Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna use Amber Gold. That's like my favorite highlight in this whole kit. And as far as my lip color, I think I'm just gonna do a gloss instead of a lipstick. I don't know. So I honestly cannot tell you where I got this lip gloss from. I've had it for a long time. I'm just gonna put some of this lip gloss on my lip. Don't like that light color, so I'm gonna go in with a darker color. So I have two different liners. None of them are sharpened, but I have Plum, and then I have Night Moth by MAC. I think I'm gonna use Night Moth because this is my favorite one. That's the finished lip color. But I'm just gonna go flat iron my hair and then we'll bring this whole look together. So I'm gonna go in my inner corner with this highlighter Snow. I've never used this before, but I think I'm gonna use it today for my inner corner just because my base color is white, just to add like a pop of color.